Good afternoon guys and welcome back to another vlog. So we are here at YHA Ambleside here in the Lake District for another Outdoor Adventure Girls weekend. This is like our 15th weekend now and I'm so excited to be hosting another trip with such amazing women. We've got 35 incredible women booked onto this weekend and we've got a weekend of adventure planned. So we have so much planned for this weekend. As I said, we're here at YHA. We love staying with YHA. They're our official partner for all of our UK weekends here at Outdoor Adventure Girls. And we've just got a lot planned. So we have just checked in. The rain is not playing ball right now, but that doesn't matter because the rain is not a contender with us. And we're gonna work with it. So everybody's checked in, they're gonna go up to their rooms, grab a drink, get to know each other, and then we've got dinner booked. Later on this evening we're gonna be doing an empowerment workshop, which is super fun and it's a really great way for everybody booked onto our weekends to get to know each other, be a little bit vulnerable and just, yeah, spend some really quality time with each other ahead of the rest of the weekend. Then tomorrow we've got some amazing hikes planned. We're splitting the group into two. So we've got a group going up Scarfell and we've got another group going up Sprinkling Tarn. And we're just so excited for some of these women who have wanted to hike up Scarfell are gonna get to do it tomorrow. The weather's looking a lot better, so fingers crossed. Let's all pray for sunshine and good weather and some hopefully amazing views from the top. And then on Sunday, we've got some paddleboarding, we've got some wild swimming, and we've got lunch before we leave on Sunday. So we've got so much planned. Hope this vlog will help you kind of understand what we do on these weekends, and I'll be bringing you along with me. So let's go. Good morning from our first day here in the Lake District. So it's Saturday morning. We're heading out this morning to go hiking. We've got two groups going up from Seathwaite, one to Scarfell Pike and one to Sprinkling Tarn. There's like 30 of us and we're going to split kind of 2/3 Scarfell, 1/3 Sprinkling Tarn. So let's go hiking. Can't wait. And the weather isn't looking great right now. It's going to rain for most of this morning, but then we are coming back here this afternoon and hopefully it'll be a bit sunnier to sit by the lake with a drink when we all get back. So let's go.
So I'll be at the front. If you want to like a pina colada or anything, that's Annie's group, but a nice easy day. That's Annie's group.
Got the tiniest little bit of sun over here somewhere. So we just stopped for lunch and now we are making our descent back down to Seathwaite. There's about 8 of us in this group and they're all coming down behind me. There's a few in front as well. But yeah, this day's got a lot better with the weather this morning. As you would have seen, there was quite a lot of rain. But now it's cleared up. Blue skies behind me. You can kind of just see the valley. So yeah, we're having a great day. And I will catch up with the Scarfell group later on. Good morning from YHA. So we've just checked out of YHA It's Sunday morning and we are off paddleboarding, so we're just getting the group kitted out now. They're just getting their life jackets and wetsuits if they need it, and then we're heading out onto Lake Windermere for the next 2 hours. So yeah, gonna bring you along with me. Hopefully we'll be able to vlog this off my camera without losing the camera in the lake. But yeah, let's go. Great form. So we've got some girls who have gone all the way over here. We've got like an 8 giant-seater giant paddleboard over here. Some of the girls are standing up as well on the singles. Some of the girls are sitting down because the wind is making the water super choppy. So yeah. And then this is where we came this morning. That's YHA Ambleside. Good, yeah. I'm exhausted now.